Good morning to my dear students. Welcome back to your computer class once again. Today we are going to discuss from chapter 5 mouse pointer and its click. Now let's start with the mouse pointer. So what do you mean by the mouse pointer? The arrow that you see on the monitor is called the mouse pointer. So student, the arrow which you see on the monitor, this is referred as mouse pointer. As you move the mouse on the mouse pad, the mouse pointer moves in the same direction on the monitor. It is also known as cursor. So students, the mouse pointer having two different names. One mouse pointer and second one it is referred as cursor. Next we will see how the mouse pointer looks like. See, the mouse pointer looks like this. Next we will gather some information about the mouse pointer. Can you see the mouse pointer? Yes. So mouse pointer is displaced on a computer screen as a slanting line, and as you move the mouse as a particular direction, the mouse pointer moves on the screen on the same direction. You can move the mouse as your desired location on your computer screen. Next we will learn about the mouse click. So let's start students. Now next one is that pressing the mouse buttons. Pressing the mouse buttons is called clicking. So what do you mean by clicking? Whenever we are pressing the mouse buttons is called clicking. Now we can differentiate the clicks in many ways. Number 1, single click. Number 2, double click. Number 3, scrolling. Number 4, right click. And number 5 is that dragging. Now I will tell you one by one, so listen to me very carefully. What do you mean by single click? When we press the left button of our mouse once, it is called single click. You single click to select items on the monitor. Now the double click. When we press the left button of our mouse twice very quickly. So whenever we are doing the double click, we will press the mouse twice very quickly. It is called the double click. You double click to open items on the monitor. Now the next one is right click. So let's see. When we press the right button of our mouse once, it is called right click. So what do you mean by the right click? Whenever we press the right button of the mouse once, one at a time, then it is called right click. You right click to see a list of action you can perform with an item. Now next one is dragging. So what do you mean by the dragging? When we keep the left mouse button pressed and move the mouse, it is called dragging. You drag the mouse when you want to draw or when you want to move item on the monitor. So students, in which purpose the dragging is used? To draw something, or whenever you want to move items on the monitor, then we can use the mouse as a dragging. And the next one and the last one is scrolling. So what do you mean by scrolling? When we move up and down a page on a monitor, it is called scrolling. You can scroll a page by rolling the scroll wheel up and down. Now whenever we need to the page up and down, then we can use the mouse as a scrolling. Today we have learned lots of things, so let's recap. Now students, read out the chapter from your computer book, chapter 5 mouse, and also write down this one in your computer copy. Bye bye everyone, take care, enjoy your puja.